In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and compare bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. We'll start right from the main dashboard. To get to your bank activity, head to the left menu and choose Banking. Depending on your layout, you might see Transactions first. If so, click that and then select Banking. This brings you to the Banking Hub, which is your central place for all connected bank and credit card accounts. It's designed to give you a quick overview of balances and recent activity, so you can jump into the details with confidence. Next, pick the specific account you want to review. On the banking page, you'll see tiles or a list of the accounts you've connected. Click the account name to open its register. Think of the register as the running log of everything tied to that account in QuickBooks. It's the best place to confirm what's been brought in and how it's recorded. Once you're inside the register, you'll see all transactions that have been imported from your bank feed, as well as any you manually entered. This includes deposits, expenses, transfers, and any adjustments you've added. To quickly locate what you need, use the sorting tools at the top of each column. You can sort by date if you're reviewing a particular period, by type if you're focusing on deposits or expenses, or by amount when you're looking for a specific dollar figure. Small changes in sorting can make a big difference when you're scanning through a large list. If you're investigating a discrepancy, try sorting by amount and then by date to spot outliers more easily. You can also scan payee and memo fields for context to confirm you're looking at the right entry. If you want to verify your records against the actual bank statement, you have an optional path. Log into your bank's online portal and download the statement. A PDF is perfect for reading and cross-checking totals, while a CSV file is useful if you plan to compare or bring transactions into QuickBooks. Back in QuickBooks, go to Banking and choose Upload Transactions. Follow the prompts to select your CSV and let QuickBooks line up what's in the file with what's already in your books. This comparison helps you identify missing items and confirm that amounts and dates align. As you review, keep an eye out for potential duplicates and make sure the date range in your statement matches the period you're checking in QuickBooks. That's the process. Navigate to Banking, open the right account, review your transactions with sorting tools, and optionally compare them to your bank statement for added confidence.